Let's pack for a trip. I'm staying one night overnight for work, and I'm hoping I can get it all to fit into a backpack. Let's see if I can make it work. And here's my backpack. I've been using this backpack recently from Temu. I actually really like it. It's got a slot for my laptop here in the back, and I might be able to fit something else flat in here, like my Kindle. In here, I've got room for my clothes, maybe another even pocket for shoes. There's this weird thing here at the bottom. I'm gonna ask you about that in a minute. And little slats here if I want to put, maybe the shoes go here, I don't know. Front pocket. This is the thing I don't know what to do with. It's an under zipper and then it pops up here. What is that for? I don't know what that's for. And then I haven't wired it yet, but you do have a little USB. And I always take a water bottle with me, so I will not buy a backpack unless it has a water bottle carrier on the side. Hi, I'm Sierra. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do travel and try-ons and decluttering videos. And this week, if you're joining me, I have an overnight work trip to Seattle, and I'm trying to see if I can get everything I need for my work trip in a backpack. Maybe this is just me, but I literally have to try on my nice clothes, my nice outfit. So I am going for a work event. So I am going to actually try on my work outfit just to make sure I like how it looks. I would hate to get there and the shoes are the wrong length for the pants, or the jewelry doesn't match or something. So I just tried the whole thing on. Now for my casual outfits, like my travel outfits and workout stuff, I don't care. I just throw that in. I'm really struggling with my outfits. I've got the pants. These are my Spanx kind of business flare pants, which I love. I don't know what to wear on top. It's gonna be in Seattle. It's gonna be in the 50s and we will be outside. And I don't know what to wear. I grabbed this because I'm just so cold right now, even just thinking about the event. It is fleece lined, and so it would keep me warm, but I feel like it's too casual. It's reading more like a sweatshirt than something businessy, so I need to keep trying. I like the look of this better, but I don't love this jacket. I was hoping not to have to take a jacket that would be wrinkly, but I might have to go that route. Changed the jacket, got the right shoes. Winner! I think I'm ready to go with this outfit. Okay, important outfit done. For me, I always do that part first because mentally it's the most challenging. The rest is very rote. I always lay out my travel outfit, which is going to be tennis shoes, leggings, and a t-shirt, which I can use to sleep in and work out in, and then a sweater for warmth. Time to pack it up. I find that the Amazon gift bags make great shoe carriers for packing, so I'm gonna stuff my shoes in there. Then I'm gonna roll all my clothes to help prevent wrinkles and to maximize space. Time to zip it up. Oh no, that little gift card is in the way from the Amazon gift bag. Oh, it's from Megan and Brett. Thanks, guys. Next stop, electronics. I love this 3-in-1 charger because it works for my Apple Watch, my AirPods, and my phone, and really maximizes space. Okay, where the heck is my Kindle charger? Which one does it go with? This is a reminder I need to sort that. Okay, found it. That one, this one. Okay, I'm good to go. Charging Kindle. Charging laptop. Charging AirPods. Thinking about my AirPod Max noise canceling headphones, but I'm not sure I'll be able to bring them because of how much space they take up. Look how big and thick they are. I'll have to wait and see if these guys fit after I get everything else in my backpack. Okay, laptop is all charged up and ready to go in. Got to wind up my curling iron and get it in. I decided to use the underneath section for my toiletries and had to shove them in there, but it seemed to kind of work. See if my headphones will fit. Nope, too wide. Got to leave them home this time. I remember to pour out my water and pack up my water bottle, and we're ready to go. I'm like 5 minutes from the house and realize I don't have business cards. Do I risk it and go back and risk being late for my flight? Thankfully, our marketing team shipped all of the materials we need for this event, so I'm not packing materials with me. Am I the only one whose mind works like this, or do other people think this way? Okay, so I'm already thinking when I walk into the plane, if I go sit on the left-hand side, I'll actually have a better view of Mount Rainier going north to Seattle. I made it all in the backpack for my overnight trip. First stop, water refill station. Next stop, left-hand side for a view of Mount Rainier. I had a few hours to kill, so I thought I'd sit in the SeaTac main terminal and get some work done. I didn't mind it because the view was so beautiful with all the glass windows. You could see all the planes coming in and taking off. It was so eerie when we left the airport because all the pickup and drop-off lanes were completely empty. There were no cars anywhere and people were walking in the streets with their luggage. We later found out that there was a protest that was blocking all traffic into the airport. So we all had to walk out of the airport to go pick up the rental car shuttle down on the main street. Travel is always an adventure. Finally made it to pick up my rental car and then drive to go see my niece Maya's water polo match, and then went back to my in-laws' house for dinner and some after-dinner dance practice. My April monthly challenge is to learn the dance choreography to Bye 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 by NSYNC. Even Tucker did pretty well. Woke up to a beautiful view of the Puget Sound, and then I was on the road, except look, the Diamond Lane is on the right-hand side. It's so confusing driving in other places. Look off to the right, there's the Space Needle. It's officially Seattle. And there's Seattle from a distance at my event location in Newcastle, which was right on a gorgeous golf course with views of another city in the distance. I'm thinking that's Bellevue, but I'm not really sure. But these grounds were just immaculate and such a gorgeous view. The entrance reminded me of an English manor or a Fairfield Inn. And yes, it was pretty cold, in the 50s, so I was really happy to see that our outdoor event was actually in a tent. Phew. The event was really well attended, and we spoke with a ton of people about marketing their real estate business. So overall, a great success. We sat in on the sales meeting for a little bit, and then one last twirl around the grounds and look at that gorgeous view, and then off to refill my tank. It is $4.75 for gas here in Seattle. And then follow the fish on the floor in the SeaTac airport to my gate. The kids used to love finding the fish on the floor when they were little. And I'm headed home. I managed to pack for an overnight trip for work in a backpack. Please consider subscribing if you like this, and I'll see you next week.